all of our war, and that's why we are all partly why we're all here.
Because actually, you didn't get onto answering like how that you procure loads of equipment, and actually you look at components. So maybe you can join these 2 points together, because you get a lot of equipment from Europe. I don't know how much equipment you get from America, but the trade war could negatively affect your fundraising and how much things cost. Is that something
partly why we're all here?
Yes, so basically, we get most of the equipment from dealers in Europe. But there is some like certain types of equipment we are not able to get from Europe, or that is more expensive in Europe, and the most popular of that is night vision devices. So that's mostly from America or Canada, and don't ask me how we managed to get it.
Partly,
but yeah, but that's mostly from the US, because you're like guys in the US make really good stuff, and it's typically way less expensive that you can get here.
Any way that we can help Ukraine is partly
beneficial for Ukraine, and of course, we're going to be selfish about it for all of Europe, for security in general. This is Ukraine's war, is our war. In case you don't want to just see it in a purely charitable way, this is a strategic war. It's to the strategic benefit of the UK, the US, Europe, and that's frustration when people see this only in very transactional ways, in very short-term ways. There is a transaction here, and the transaction is that they are fighting for our freedom as much as they are fighting for their freedom. Although it's obviously they're fighting for their freedom more, and obviously because they're the country that's been invaded. But this is all of our war, and that's why we are all, partly why we're all here. Rooting for Ukraine and helping out so much. Anyway, given the larger context there, Iryna. Partly why we're
so a couple of questions from the audience. Here we have future ATP. How will the US trade war affect Ukraine? I guess you can answer that in several ways, in a larger political way. But
the message
I wonder
is simple.
whether a trade
Britain will stand firm, even if Washington wobbles from side to side like an over-egged worm. Jelly. Actually, eggs. Jellies don't have eggs in them, do they? That's blancmange. Like an impertinent blancmange. Meanwhile, Germany is stepping up in a way that few expected. Berlin has confirmed an order for 4,000 AI-powered kamikaze drones for Ukraine, with the possibility of tens of thousands being produced if necessary. And the HX-2, developed by German high defense firm Helsing, represents the next phase of drone warfare. And these drones can operate autonomously, resist electronic interference, and coordinate in devastating swarm attacks. Unlike conventional weapons, which require extensive logistical support, these AI-driven drones are designed for mass deployment at low cost. A single drone may cost only a fraction of a tank, yet it has the capability to destroy one.